I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Zeen, so stay tuned. I'm here with the Zeen. This is a revolutionary new mobility device. When you order this, it's going to ship through UPS or FedEx. It's not going to be on a pallet or anything like that, so it's going to come just like this in a box like this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab my knife and we're going to cut the tape that's holding the bottom down. I'm going to do the same on this other side. Once that's done, we have these little clips down here. We're going to take those out. If you've never done these before, there's a little trick to them. You're going to stick your finger in this side right here and kind of pull that out, and then you should be able to pull the whole thing out very easily. When this is in there, it locks it in place, so it's really hard. You can't just yank it out. There's 4 of these, 1 on each side of the box. Once you have all 4 of those out, we're going to remove this entire top box. It should just slide up very easily. I'm going to make sure there's nothing in here. Looks like we're good. Now we get an actual good look at the Zeen for the first time. Remove this. And then I'm going to take a moment and get rid of some of this packing material, and I'll show you how to get it out of the box. Now this is basically fully assembled when you get it. All we have to do is get it out of the box. Now it weighs about 42 pounds. You could just lift it. But there's a trick to this. You could kind of grab it and tilt it back like this. Gently rest it. And then you can just slide this box off. Just like that. Now, on this side here, we have our owner's manual. It was within this stuff. I don't believe there is anything else. So in our owner's manual, there's a warning here. It says, please retain your box until the end of the trial period is over, just in case you do want to ship it back. It's designed to protect this in shipping, so if you do have to send it back, just keep all these components intact. We also have our owner's manual and then your registration in here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to tilt this back up. Again, it's very lightweight. There we are. And now to unfold it, I'm going to turn it so you can see. Now we're going to unfold the unit. First thing we do is we're going to undo, there's some Velcro straps holding it together. There is one up front here. We're going to undo that. And then when you do refold this, you're going to use that to keep it together. So remember where those are. There's one in the back here as well. We're going to undo that. Now there's one more step to unfolding it. You'd think that it would unfold, and it will, but we do want to get these handles out of the way. They just come forward on the side here, just like that, and they do lock in place. You do need to pull those forward because this latches down here and the handles are in the way. So it kind of just goes like this, and then it will latch itself in, just like that. You'll hear a click. One quick thing to mention is that once you have the seat locked down, you want to make sure you push down this red handle until it locks. That is an extra locking mechanism. And whenever you are unfolding it, you do have to lift this as well. So it's just an extra lock in the back here. Now we have this unfolded. It's almost ready to use, but I did want to go over a few more things that we have to do. First thing is, in order to bring it up and down, we do have to remove these stops right here. It's just a little pin. So there is a little bungee cord. We're going to take the bungee off, and you can remove that. Same thing with the other side. They have one on each side. So I'll remove those. We're going to hold on to these in case we need them in the future. So now it can go up and down, but I also want to go over the safety belt. So back here is our safety belt. We're going to set this to the side because I'm going to sit in this unit and we're going to get this adjusted. So set these to the side. I'm going to go ahead and take a seat in the unit. And now it's very comfortable, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the safety belt. We're going to latch it shut. Then we're not going to tighten it just yet. They want you to wait till we're standing. In order to stand, you have these two handles on each side. Now you can get this wired to one-handed controls from the factory. You just have to let someone know before you order this unit. So you can get one-handed controls, but standard it's going to be two-handed controls. And then it will assist you in standing. You do have to use, they said about 30% of your body power because it will do about 70% of the lifting. So you do that and then you just stand and it will lift you up. It'll go all the way. Now this one is not sized for me specifically. These will be sized for you. But now that we're standing, we're going to grab our safety belt on either side. Pull them out, in, and now our safety belt is installed the way it should be. Now I'm locked in securely with the safety belt. There is right here are your brakes. So you can see the chair freewheels around, or the walker freewheels around. You can hold these down to brake. And then there's a little parking brake here. You can latch these shut. So if you do want to sit down, they call this bar stool height. So you can sit down, scoot yourself back. And you can actually prop your legs up right there. Those are footrests. So if you need to get up to a high top or sit down, do like a presentation, anything like that, you are sitting in a higher position and it will not roll out on you. Just like with a manual wheelchair, these do have brakes. To unrelease the brakes, you will squeeze them towards you. That will undo the parking brakes, and then you can walk around again as normal. And then the last thing I wanted to mention is to go back down. I'm going to go to the side. You are going to hold both of these handles, squeeze them in, and then you're going to sit. You can stop whatever height you need. It will latch at those certain heights, and then from there, you can sit back. It's got a backrest back here. So once again, this is the unboxing and assembly of the Zeen and just some basic controls to get you started. We will have a full in-depth review and demonstration of this product. I was just getting you going, but we will have that in the link in the description below. If you're interested in this, give us a call. We would love to help you out and make sure this is the right product for your needs. Or check the links below. I have a link to our website for current pricing and how to order one. You can order it online or with financing. Once again, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the Zeen. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. Thank you so much for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.